So welcome back to the channel. We have another unboxing for you. This is the NeoZ 300 by DaranEner. I've done a video on one of their models before, the Neo 2000, which wasn't a bad unit. I do have problems with that one, but let's see if this one's any better. Let's jump into it. So, standard packaging that you'd find with a lot of these power stations. Cardboard box, lots of foam. This thing isn't going to power your entire house, but for smaller applications it should work great. Here's the power station itself. So in the box we get probably the charging cables along with, standard paperwork, user manual, which I'm not sure if anyone ever reads, and customer service, frequently asked questions. Inside the box we've got AC power adapter and a car charger. Okay, let's take a closer look at the device. Here you've got an input, DC input. It says 10 volts to 30 volts max. This would be your solar or your the car charger that came with it. This right here. Your output through DC is 12 volts, 3 amps. You've got a USB-C PD 60 watt out, so it cannot be charged with USB-C, but you can use the output of USB-C. You've got a quick charge 3.0, 18 watt USB-A. Over here, you've got your DC on and off. Here on this side, you've got your AC on and off. Standard AC plug. On its side, this is where you would plug it in to charge from the wall using the included power adapter. On the back of the unit, we've got a light which you could turn on with this button here. Usually these lights are annoying on some units, but if you find yourself that you've got no power and you're in a dark room, this would be great to put up against a wall just to reflect that light so you can at least see what's around you. On the other side, it looks like more venting. Standard handle that you would see on a lot of these smaller units. So let's turn it on and see what it came with. So holding down this button right here, light turns blue. Not sure if you'll be able to see this, but came with 80% battery. It says it's got 142 hours of runtime, but there's nothing currently plugged into it. The display isn't bad, kind of dim. Turning it over on the other side to see what the light looks like. Press and hold. So, relatively bright. Press and hold to turn it back off. But like I said, this would be good for using with trying to charge a laptop, your phone. May run a fridge for a couple hours. I wouldn't expect it to do much. I believe the surge may be 600 watts. Let me check the specs real quick. So yeah, looking at the specs, it appears the AC out is only 300 watts. Does not say if there's a surge on it. A lot of these units can usually surge twice the amount, but I don't see it on the spec sheet. It's a LiFo 4 battery with 3,500 cycles till 80%. It says it takes roughly 2 hours to charge, which isn't horrible. And overall, doesn't appear to be a bad unit. Not going to really plug many things into this. A lot of you guys, if you're into power stations, you know that this is really just for cell phones and light electronics. It's not for powering your house. But I'll try it out for about a week. If anything goes wrong with it, you guys will be the first to know. Well, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.